This caboose, for those in the area that remember, was at McDonald's back in the 70s. It was later given to the Richmond Community Schools. It set out behind Highland Heights School for a number of years. They gifted that caboose to our organization to restore it, and that's when we began trying to look for a place that we could find a permanent home for it.
Something from history a long time ago is being restored. Money is getting put into it to have it be here as a permanent home. There's only 4 left in the world of this type of model.
It was on my grandpa's property, and I'm kind of sad that it's gone. We can share it with everyone now.
Thank you.